Hello and welcome back to another art lesson with Mr. Dalby. What I'm going to show you today, you've done this lots of times before, and we've used this technique a lot in revision. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to sort of recap on creating you a mind map. Now, this week's lessons are all about revision. So what we're going to look at, what you first of all need to do is either print off or have the Knowledge Organiser to hand. And we're going to start off with just looking at a bit of colour theory. So all I'm going to do, I've got my mind map, my Knowledge Organiser here, and I'm just going to start to create a colour theory mind map. Again, this is basically revision. Just going to write colour theory in the middle. Now, I started you off, you can see on the slide of the different branches off of the mind map. So I'm going to have primary colours, okay, we're going to look at, if you look, it's really simple. You've got it on the Knowledge Organiser, but you're just going to put it on here just to get it sort of in your mind. So you've got primary colours, you've got red, yellow, blue. Right, so you should now know straight away, you should really have that, you should have that knowledge anyway. I'm just going to put some more, so we want secondary colours. Okay, and then we've got orange. Now this is where this begins to be a bit more useful. So what we've got from orange, we think about, well, what colours do we use to make orange? So if we look back at our Knowledge Organiser, I'll put it here, so you have two branches off. So you've got red and yellow. Okay, so red plus yellow equals orange. Yeah. Purple, or stroke violet. Yellow, red and blue. Okay, and then finally you have green, blue and yellow. Okay, so you're just beginning to flesh it out. Now the thing is with this, one of the key words when it comes to making a secondary colour is equal. So we'll just have another little branch of there, so mix equal amounts. Two primary colours. Now, with this, like I said, this is just a revision exercise. Doesn't need to be that neat. You just re-engaging your brain with the Knowledge Organiser. Hopefully a lot of this you'll know. If you're looking at certain things, so also the different types of colours. So we've got some of the difficult ones where we've got tertiary colours, so we're just going to limit down we don't want loads of centres, so tertiary colours coming off there, tertiary colours, and then we can write out definitions. So it's colour, so it's mixing, primary and secondary colour. Okay. Other ones if you want to put on there, again, you want to really try and engage with all these different definitions. You've got tint, colour plus white, shade, colour plus black. Okay. Lots of different things here, so you could also then, we've got loads of different definitions, so then we could have complementary, colours, opposite, colour wheel. And then you could almost come here where you could have the pairs off of them. So again, so it's, if we look at colours opposite on the colour, we've got red and green, orange and blue, and purple, purple and yellow. Now with this, what you can now do, you can start again, if there's anything else on there you want to put on there, there's loads of different definitions you're not too sure of, read the definition and add it onto there. So you come around here, cool colours, blue, green, purple, and then you could have, obviously from cool colours, we've got warm colours, obviously, warm colours, red, yellow, orange. But maybe I could start adding some colour to this as well. So you've got, you know, where you've got your blues, where you've got your reds, you can start putting your red, just to kind of, you know, help you remember these things. I mean, you could do red, primary colours red, yellow, all these little revision exercises should help you just remember them. We've got our, obviously we've got our green. Wherever you've got colour, you could put it on there. I'm not going to spend on, maybe I could add a bit more to this, but like I say, this is down for you. This is your revision exercise. If you want to put other things on there, you've obviously got warm colours, cold colours. Again, just go over where it is, reds, wherever you got your colour, there you could add a bit of colour to it. Just make it sort of jog your memory a bit. There you go. I'll leave that down to you. Have fun with your revision exercise. Again, it's just one of the first things you're going to be doing this lesson. Okay, goodbye.